The hearing of the case in which government is seeking the FDC and Dr. Kizza Besigye's defense campaign declared illegal has not proceeded as earlier scheduled due to the absence of some judges. Two judges, namely Catherine Bamugemereire and Cheborion Barishaki, required to constitute the quorum, haven't appeared in court and the ruling couldn't proceed. However, during an interview with Rakafuzi Laudislas, the FDC lawyer said that both parties had been earlier informed of the absentia of the two judges on the panel.
One of the justices on the quorum, Madame Catherine Bamugemereire, we are told she lost a relative, and since the quorum is 5 justices, it was not possible to have the full quorum to hear the case today. But also the registrar said that some other also justices are attending some conference somewhere, either in Nairobi or somewhere. So there was no quorum today, and the matter has been adjourned to 24th next week, Thursday at 10 o'clock.
Judge Catherine Bamugemereire is said to have lost a relative, and her contemporary, Judge Cheborion Barishaki, is reported to have traveled to Nairobi for a conference. Rakafuzi has, however, rubbished the claims, stressing that such scenarios were part of the wider plan and tactics by government to prolong the former FDC presidential candidate Kizza Besigye's case and keep him behind bars for a longer time.
Petition number 13 of 2016, which was filed by the Attorney General, seeking declarations that the defense campaign is unconstitutional.
How does it differ from the ruling that was there last week?
What there was last week were merely applications, interlocutory applications, which are made pending the hearing of the main petition. Now, today we are hearing the main petition. We are supposed to hear the main petition itself.
There have been allegations that the FDC has deliberately failed to produce one of the accused in the matter. How true is this?
No. There are two parties. FDC is a party, a separate party on its own, and Dr. Besigye is also a separate party. So FDC does not control Luzira prison. FDC has no control.
The Attorney General, Rukutana Mwesigwa, recently went to the Constitutional Court seeking orders to ban the defense campaign of all FDC activities deemed to be part of the campaign. Plea was in a bid to have both Besigye and the FDC defense activities, such as prayers, declared as unlawful by court. In his verdict, the Inspector General of Police, General Kale Kaihura, said unless court stops Besigye and FDC defense activities, the country will face political unrest and insecurity. This report was compiled by Joan Tendo for Channel 44 Television.